Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Hidayanti from X4E. Today I will share a little knowledge that I have about the sound of consonant. Anyone know how many sounds are consonants in the alphabet? Yes, exactly. Sound of consonants in the alphabet is 24. Let's look this video. There are 24 consonant sounds. P, 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 pull, stop, apple. Next, B, 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 bed, beer, a bird. Next, T, 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 tree, stop, want. Next, D, 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 door, food, said. Next, Ch, 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 teacher, chair, choice. Next, J, 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 jug, joy, judge. Next, K, 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 walk, dark, cup. Next, G, 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 green, girl, girl. Next, for, food, fish. Next, V, 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 very, word, observe. Next, earth, take, thought. Next, Z, 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 they, bed, there. Next, Z, 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 zoo, noise, president. Next, sh, 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 short, sure, shoe. Next, zoo, z, 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 casual, measure, leisure. Next, um, 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 money, my, lamp. Next, un, 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 noise, green, no.
Next. Ang, 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 ring, hang, lang. Next. Hat, head, hurt. Next. Al, al, pull, love, roll. Next. Ar, 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 run, rock, rush. Next. W, 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 where, want, way. Next. Y, 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 year, yes, yellow.
Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there is something wrong in this pronunciation, so that I ask your correction because it is still in learning stage. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.